Number 2. Types of questions. In IELTS test, your skills will be assessed according to your ability to successfully complete all types of tasks you are given. It is the same as in listening module. There are 10 types of tasks randomly used within the reading module test. And if you want to pass reading module successfully, you need to learn everything about each type of task, all the algorithms and strategies. The question types you need to be able to answer within reading module are as follows. Number 1. Multiple choice. 2. Sentence completion. 3. Short answer questions. 4. Notes, summary or flowcharts completion. 5. Choosing headings. 6. Labeling a diagram. 7. Identifying information location. 8. Yes, no, not given or true, false, not given questions, which is also called identifying views and opinions. Number 9. Classification. And finally, 10 is matching. Now, please use some time to answer the questions on the information you have just reviewed. And now, before we move to the next aspect of the reading module, please use some time to look at questions given on the information you have just reviewed.